With a focus on global markets and landscapes, how do you assess and factor in cultural differences while developing marketing and distribution plans?
Well, I mean, as I was saying earlier, our plans are customized to the markets and sensibilities of the audiences there. There was a time when we used to even have different posters that would go abroad, and because considering the sensibilities of the market and stuff, like even in India, the kind of posters and creatives we would roll out for the Hindi heartlands were different than what would happen in probably the urban centers. It's a similar thing. So we would do that. Like, we would put out a lot of, I'm talking about initial years when we were going, we put out a lot of ensemble casts and, putting out all the faces out there and those kinds of posters abroad, so that, all these people are going to be in the film and giving the essence of the film and stuff like that. So we would do all that. Today, luckily, the creative game has also evolved a lot. The kind of creatives that are being rolled out are very similar. I think, we're pretty at par sensibility wise creatives, there's nothing that, has to be customized for overseas in that sense. We send out the same creatives and posters that are using in India. But yes, there is a certain set of creatives that we use there in terms of we harp a lot more, especially the ensemble where you have a lot of other people you bringing in basically which helps you position the film in the right space visually and to get that perception right. Okay, this is what the film is all about. Today our filmmakers are very well known, our production houses are very well known, people are looking forward to those names. We highlight those enough. So, and there's a great support that you get on ground also from your exhibitors and stuff to push that for you. So that's pretty much, where you are. But yes, coming to your basic core question is yes, we have to consider which market are we in, what sells where. Like even if a film, when I'm going, I know exactly which markets are we going. If it's a film which is, romance and stuff, I know I can do it very well in UK as well. And, I can push it everywhere. It's a family friendly film. It's action. I know where it'll work. I know the markets where action works better. So, when your genre is given to you, your actors, like I know the actors market as well. Like we know exactly which actor in which market, like how it works in India. If you have, up north who works and who works in probably, down south and stuff like that. And with similar, algorithms are used when we devise our strategies completely overseas.